Ang unang teen artist ngayong gabi, isang masayahing only child na handang ipakita hindi lang galing sa singing, pati #lit personality.
Hello po, I'm Jazer J.C. Vergara. I'm 14 years old and I'm from Pasig City, Calawaan po. I would describe me as siguro caring po sa friends ko nun. Actually, it's from my friends po. It's what they say about me, pero in a good way po. I actually take care of my friends po and like I never let them feel left out po.
Welcome sa The Voice Teens! How do you feel that you're here now?
I'm pretty nervous po and I'm sweating real hard right now po.
Kahit malamig yung aircon, no? Parang pag nakakakaba, talagang nakaka-over.
Parang iba po yung init sa loob.
Oo. Gusto mo ba ng more aircon? More... You know, I like your energy, your spirit. It's very light. It's very jolly. Ever since bata po siya, Daddy, ganito na si Jazer.
Lagi po siyang papatawa po sa amin pagka nasa bahay po kami. Kasi po, yun na lang po yung magiging bonding namin kada uwi po kami, gabi na.
Napaka-caring na friend at masayahing anak ni Jazer. Kaya hindi may expect na laging victim rin pala siya ng panlalait ng ibang tao.
Kaya naging caring po ako sa mga kaibigan ko is naranasan ko rin po yung ganun personally na ma-left out po. There was one time po na nakikipag-usap po ko sa kanila na we were fun, we were talking, pero all of a sudden, they were ignoring me. So, I felt kind of upset po and left out ka na.
Isa sa mga naka-affect sa confidence mo is sometimes what other people would say about you.
Yes.
Pwede mo maikwento yun sa akin?
It's about fatphobic remarks po that are made about me. It happens on a daily basis po. Actually, sa school po namin, there's people that would stare at me and some even talk behind my back po. Parang binabackstab po ko and they call me fat. That really messes with the way I think and my confidence po.
Daddy, what do you tell him? Paano mo hinahandle?
Ano po, ginagawa ko po, parang binibiro ko na po. Huwag mo isipin yun. Isipin mo, payat lang sila kaya ka mataba. Ganun po. Pinapatawa ko na lang po siya para mawala po.
Salamat po sa lahat ng pagsusuporta. I love you.
I love you.